The Department of Homeland Security is working to address loopholes in the U.S. asylum system. One America's Christina Bobb has more.
The Trump administration has made a concerted effort to close immigration loopholes and restore integrity to the asylum system. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services is working closely with the Department of Justice to finalize 2 rules that would help close loopholes in the asylum process. Doing so would allow more people who actually meet the asylum requirements to gain asylum and would prevent those taking advantage of the application process from clogging the system and blocking true asylum seekers. The first rule is the third country transit bar rule. This rule would prevent asylum seekers from seeking asylum in the United States if they transit through a third country and remain there peacefully before seeking asylum in the United States. The idea behind the rule is that if someone seeking asylum in the United States claims to be fleeing from their home country out of fear, but they have managed to live peacefully in a third country before seeking asylum in the United States, they're no longer eligible for asylum because they are safe in that third country. Asylum based on a credible fear is designed for individuals in an immediately life-threatening situation and they need to escape. However, Citizenship and Immigration Services has seen a number of asylum applications where asylum seekers have lived and worked in a third country for more than a year before seeking asylum in the United States. This rule would determine that those individuals are not in a life-threatening situation and should be barred from seeking asylum in the United States. If an individual traveled through a safe third country without seeking asylum, they would not be eligible for asylum in the United States. Though a district court judge struck down the interim third country transit rule in June, CIS is working to move forward with the final rule and expects the rule to become final in the near future. The second rule CIS is working to finalize with the Department of Justice is the Global Asylum Rule. This is an overhaul to many of the terms that are currently undefined in immigration law. Leaving the terms undefined causes confusion on how to enforce the law and provides an opportunity for people to take advantage of the lack of definitions. There are 5 grounds for asylum, some of which are undefined, and the rule would provide definitions for those terms. The newly defined terms include political opinion, social group, frivolous applications, and firm settlement. Adding these definitions would close any opportunity to stretch these definitions to cover groups that the law never intended to be covered under asylum law. A senior DHS official stated that the intent of these rules is to protect those people who actually need and deserve the protection of the United States asylum system. The Trump administration has stated that the nation needs comprehensive immigration reform and has vocally called on Congress to shore up immigration loopholes that allow nations to take advantage of American generosity. Until Congress steps up and passes comprehensive immigration reform, the administration will work to solve the problem through regulations. I'm Christina Bobb, One America News, Washington.
Want to see more videos like this? Visit OANN.com for immediate access to all the clips you've been waiting to see.